Hello guys, this is Arun SV. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 2D character rig inside Adobe After Effects with a free plugin called Duik Bezel, and also create a walk cycle. Let's watch. Okay, now this is the character we are going to work on it. I already separated part by part for rigging in After Effects. Okay, now going to After Effects. This is the CC 2015 version. Then first import the character from Illustrator to After Effects by double click it, and this is the man character I create it. Okay, then import as composition, footage, composition, retain layer sizes. Okay, then click import. Now we have the composition and main layers. Simply click the composition called man, double click it. We can get the character on the viewer. Now I already named it each of the layers, so we can easily identify the layers. Naming is very important in rigging and animation. Okay, now first of all we are going to parent it regularly. So start with hands. Right hand parent it to forearm, then forearm parent it to arm, then arm parent it to body. It is the procedure. So this is the right hand, this is palm, so parent it to forearm, right forearm, then right forearm parent it to arm, then arm parent it to body. Likewise, parent the right foot to right leg, then right leg parent to right thigh, then thigh parent to waist, then waist parent to body. In this manner we are going to parenting right foot parent it to right leg, then right leg parent it to right thigh parent it to waist, then waist parent it to body. Okay, likewise we do it for left leg also. So left foot parent it to left leg, then left leg to left thigh, then left thigh to waist, then we already parent the waist to body. We parent all the layers in the correct manner, then head to body. All the layers parent it to body. Okay, now after finishing the parenting, we are going to rig it. Before that, we are going to copy the right hand, duplicate it to get the left hand. So Ctrl D to duplicate it, then rename it to left side. So right click and rename R arm to L arm. Okay, now R forearm to L forearm, then R hand to L hand. That's it. We already parent it for the right hand, so it automatically copy its parents. So leave it. Now we are going to rig it with a Duik Bezel plugin. So simply click the window and click the Duik bezel. It is not a inbuilt plugin, so it is not rigging correctly because the anchor points are not in the correct manner. So we first going to relocate the anchor point in each of the layers. Starting with the first layer, click the anchor point pan behind tool, then solo it at place the anchor point at the center of the semicircle, that is the top of the layer with the semicircle shape. So place it at the center of the semicircle. Okay, to get the smooth rotation on the joints. Then forearm, okay. Now with the hand, right arm, right forearm, in body, place it under the chest at the stomach. Okay, then right foot, place it on this joint because knee bone join at this location, so I locate it. Then go to right leg, okay. Then for the right thigh, simply locate it. Then for waist only, we place the anchor point at the center because it is the root of the body. So okay, then left foot, left leg, left thigh, then head. Place this anchor point at the bottom of the neck. Okay, that's it. Now we are going to rig it with the Duik bezel plugin. I will give you the link in the description. Kindly download it and install it. It is a free plugin, so we can easily download and install. Okay, now after installing the Duik bezel, we get the Duik bezel in the window panel. So click it, ignore. Okay, now go to settings and select the standard, no rookie, for standard. Okay, apply changes. Simply click the rigging. Then now select the left side of the hands, 3 layers, left arm, forearm and hand. Then simply click the auto rig and IK. That's it. We get the rig for the hand like this. Okay, now likewise we going to do on the right side of the hand. So right arm, right forearm and right hand, select the 3 layers, then simply click the auto rig and IK. We get the layers for the right side also. Now we are going to select the left side of the hand and place it at the bottom of the body, because it is placed behind the body, so that it worked correctly. Okay. Now waist, right side of the body also at the top of the body layer. Okay, place it accordingly. The layers of the body and the waist should be at the middle of the layers. Then we get the rig for hands. Likewise, we are going to rig the legs also. So select the thigh, leg and foot of the left side. Then click auto rig and IK. Likewise, select the right foot, right leg, right thigh and click auto rig and IK. That's it. We get the proper rig. The rig is not clear, so simply place it this time. Okay. Now we can get the clear IK rig like that. But the hands are not rotating, so we can fix it. Go to left hand and click R and hold the Alt button and click the stopwatch. Okay. Likewise, we do it for the left right hand also. So press R, then hold the Alt key and press the stopwatch. That's it. We finished the rig. Now demonstrate it. Okay. We get the proper rig. The stretch is on, so that it is separated by part. We can fix it now. Go to the controllers and in the effect controls panel, go to stretch and uncheck the auto stretch on all the layers, all the controller layers. That's it. Now select all the layers except the controller layers. Select all the layers and except the body layer. Then select the lock key to lock all the layers. Okay. Now we can simply animate it with the 4 layers by selecting these 4 controller boards. Okay. Now we can easily animate it like this.
Facebook, Instagram, Twitter இதில் ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள். நான் அருண் எஸ்வி. மீண்டும் ஒரு நல்ல டுட்டோரியலில் சந்திப்போம். பை.